In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut business account without a business. 2025. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in one go. Start by heading to businessrevolut.com in your browser. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but a computer generally makes the document upload steps a bit easier. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button and click it. Revolut may guide you through a short onboarding flow, so take your time and read each screen. Make sure you're in a quiet moment so you can complete any verification prompts without timing out. When asked for an email, use your personal email address, not a company one. Pick an inbox you can access easily on your phone and computer because Revolut will send important updates there. If they send a confirmation link, open it right away to keep the process moving. Next, choose your country of residence. This should match where you legally live and, ideally, the country on your identification documents. Consistency here helps prevent delays during verification. When you're asked about business type, select freelancer or sole trader. This option is designed for individuals who operate independently and don't have a registered company. It's fully legitimate, but you still need to be truthful and only choose this if it reflects how you actually work. Under business activity, pick the closest match to what you do, such as digital services, content creation, or online work. Accuracy is important. Keep your description consistent with any links or documents you'll share, because Revolut checks for coherence across your application. You'll then upload a valid ID like a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Use clear, well-lit images, avoid glare, and make sure all edges and details are visible. If the app asks for a selfie, keep your face centered and remove hats or glasses. Your name and birth date should match the details you entered. For proof of activity, provide something that shows you actually work as a freelancer. This can be a portfolio, a link to your YouTube channel, your Fiverr or Upwork profile, or sample invoices. Share real recent examples. Fabricated documents will cause rejection and may affect your ability to reapply. After submitting, wait 1 to 3 days while Revolut reviews your application. You'll get updates by email and in the app. If you don't see anything, check your spam folder or the app's notifications. Once approved, your Revolut Business Freelancer account becomes active, even without a registered company. From here, follow Revolut's terms, keep your records organized, and stay compliant with local tax rules.